I had to renew my licenses. Don't forget to stick to your budget. It makes you want to pull your hair out every time about it. Don't jump into finances without knowing the basics. It is essential to find someone who is a master in this field. I was starting my business. I might. You may be in the exact summation. Keep a business journal to record your thoughts, your company's financial needs. You can also do this by looking for a course online. You can find many free online courses. Your business to make sure you are comfortable with accounting before you begin. 5. Customer service. I love so many products and services that I keep returning. They are my favorite. Sometimes I have had to. I was devastated to have that product due to poor customer service. Humans are. Emotional beings are us. We can feel bad about our behavior if we are not careful. We can't let go after a terrible experience. Customer service is critical. Treat customers with contempt. You will lose all your customers. Respond quickly to customer inquiries. Be courteous, polite and patient. Be calm when rude or upset customers confront you. Guide them calmly to a more positive mood by cleverly directing them. To lighten your mood, you can also add a few jokes. I love humor. They are the best. It's amazing how much kindness can make all the difference. Your heart will make customers happy, and they will praise you for your product. 6. Adaptability, flexibility, pliability, elasticity. The same thing can be said. Adaptability. Even though the end goal is identical, it is essential to reach the finish line through many routes. Take the pandemic as an example. Many import businesses were insolvent. Extreme pressure. Many businesses failed because they did not have the flexibility. They couldn't reach their ultimate goal by any other means. They may also seek out other suppliers to replenish their stock. This was due to rigidity. A success story has a successful business. You can overcome all hardships that you expect. The resumption of asking for help is a sign that you are weak. If you are a great thinker, you'll have opportunities and connections with the business community. If aid has been received, you can't claim to be successful. Every support you can get in business is vital. Find people to guide you and support your search for fancy business conferences. Networking is your best friend. Networking is your friend. Get all the support you need. They will be your best witnesses to your success. These people will help spread your business-savvy mind. Get tips and tricks from industry professionals to help you grow your business. To help you grow your business, get your message out by attending as many networking events as you can. Your business can grow simultaneously with valuable insights. 8. Management of social media. This is the golden age of technology. Many businesses operate entirely online. They don't even own physical offices or shops. Social media management. They can stand out from their peers online. Markets with competitors can be a source of new income and opportunity. You can manage your online presence at first. However, some experts can understand online users' needs and wants. Use social media platforms to make sure the act attracts the right audience. This area is essential to be aware of in today's world. 9. Your business needs expertise. Being in business is challenging. An online business is the best way to go. Money. I'm sorry that you have burst my bubble. It won't stay. To fight M2. Passion, confidence, and a passion for your craft are essential to winning the contest. You should be able to sell services online. Online selling is possible. However, You must be able and willing to offer the service. Find your passion first, and then become an expert. Next, start your business. 10. Pricing. Online shoppers are often concerned about being scammed. Substandard quality products can be referred to as paying outrageously high prices. You have the responsibility to search the web and compare prices from businesses similar products as yours. Next, modify your setting. It would help if you produced, to begin with, the ability to meet your needs. Business. Your business will be more successful than others because yours is better than all other businesses. You can also do the opposite. $Mum. Your product is superior to others. If you feel that the market is not ready for it, you may consider selling it at a lower price. Sometimes it can seem overwhelming to begin anything. This is where your inner self-confidence shines. This is your guide. Start small with online classes. Next, make a 6-month plan. Soon you will be able to follow it day by day. Your business will succeed. Keep faith. You already have the $1 million idea. Now, make it a reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel to get information about improving your financial skills. Take care, and see you next time. English.